So make sure you are clicking on the 2025 or your current year tax return button, and then tap on the personal info option just below it. On your personal info summary, you may scroll down. So first, you will see the province of residence, where you may edit or change your residence province if you ever move from or to another province inside Canadian territory in the current tax year. And the second, you will see this Canadian residency, where you may edit whether you move to or away from Canada in the current tax year. Either way, to change any of them, you might click on the edit button besides every section. For example, if you tap on province residence, you may choose another province in Canada and scroll down to hit the continue button to save your changes. And then, when you choose to edit Canadian residency, you may answer some question regarding your moving. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.